A handy guide to quantifiers in English. Hello there, language learners. We're here today to discuss an important component of English grammar: quantifiers. Understanding quantifiers can make a huge difference in your ability to communicate with precision and accuracy. These are words like many, much, few, and little, and today, we're going to dive deep into their definition and usage. Quantifiers are words or phrases that we use before a noun to show how much or how many of something we're talking about. They give us more information about the quantity of the noun. For example, in the sentence, "She has many books," many is a quantifier that tells us that the person in question has a large number of books. In English, quantifiers are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. But remember, some are specific to countable nouns while others are for uncountable nouns. Many and much are used when there's a large quantity of something. But remember, many is used with countable nouns, and much is used with uncountable nouns. For example, I have many friends. Friends are countable. I don't have much time. Time is uncountable. Few and little are used when there's a small quantity of something. Few is used with countable nouns, while little is used with uncountable nouns. For example, he has few enemies. Enemies are countable. I have a little patience for this. Patience is uncountable. That's a wrap on our introduction to quantifiers. Everyone, understanding these little words and how they function can really boost your English speaking and writing skills. We've just scratched the surface today, but we'll delve deeper into other aspects of quantifiers in our upcoming videos. Keep practicing, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Until next time.